Hello, we're Lionsharp Solutions. We're building Voiceboard and we're going to tell you our story.
So, what I want to talk about is the history of the Voiceboard innovation. What actually happens here is that I have an idea and I want to get that idea into your mind. And by doing that, I have to actually get that image that's in my mind into your mind. And the only tools that I have available to me are things like books, or web pages, or maybe I can have a piece of paper and draw it out for you so that you can understand what I'm speaking about. So, how have we done this? We've done this in classrooms for a long, long time using blackboards. Blackboards were followed by whiteboards, which are much cleaner and easier, and it saves you getting chalk on your fingers. And even after that, in the modern schools, they put smartboards, which are the big and the clunky technology that link to your computer. So what we're trying to create here is not an alternative to one of the things that have gone past, but actually an innovation. Because what Lionsharp believes is that innovation is actually creating a new solution to a problem that has been there since the beginning of time.
Voiceboard is the future of working with your ideas. Forget about taking pictures of boards and accidentally erasing important stuff. You now have a huge digital canvas, a space for you to throw your ideas and work with them. You see them, you use your hands to visualize them. So everything is there, digitized, for you to never lose it and work it whenever you like.
So we wanted to find out what our market is, and we understood that a lot of people shared our pain of expressing their ideas, that we need to throw ideas somewhere. So we shared our special web page and contacted a lot of people in our network, and we received a lot of positive feedback. There was different people from all around the world, and we received the ideas of what kind of features they want to see in our Voiceboard, and they were from different fields. All of them see how they would use our Voiceboard in their professions. For example, advertising agencies. Imagine these offices, like how people use that during their brainstorming sessions, and they have seen that. They understood that they can use our product and how useful can be it during working with the clients. And we had good traction. For example, on YouTube, where we do have about 1,000 views on our videos about our concepts and about our team. Plus our Facebook page, it has about 500 likes, and that's pretty cool. And also, well, we were invited to give interviews, and we were featured on TVs and magazines in Armenia, and now also internationally.
And so far, we just graduated or put our study on hold. We managed to register our company legally, and we managed to have our first investment from 11 Startup Accelerator in Bulgaria, 25,000 euro. And we also managed to have our first angel investment, 10,000 euro. And after winning Imagine Cup, we believe that there will be no limits for our success.
So what was really cool was that we had a whole bunch of meetings with external mentors. They came in one after the other and we described the idea to them. And what a response we got. It was just wow. They loved the idea and they'd love to see it come into reality. So to build these things into reality, we know we have to bring that wow into our application.
Being the technology startup company, we decided to create our first application using the latest and greatest technology of Microsoft, Kinect, and Kinect SDK 1.7. And actually, we are using the Visual Studio and Expression Blend C# development for create WPF application for Windows 8.
We are Lionsharp, and we are building whiteboard with eyes and ears. Basically, it is large digital canvas where you can throw your ideas, control and rearrange them. It will be multi-layer digital environment where you can see the development of your ideas. As main source of input, we choose voice. And we are using online big database of natural language to make possible to talk to board, and your ideas will appear. And of course you can control them using gestures, grab, push and move. That's the main gestures that we are building. And personally, I think that it's right time to interact with technology naturally.
We are executing the design of the Voiceboard with a top-down approach. It means that we keep you, our users, in our mind all the time. And also ourselves, because we use boards all the time to brainstorm, to plan, and we know that for the technology to be actually useful for you, it needs to feel completely transparent. It doesn't have to stay in the way between you and your ideas. And we know that this experience is the crucial thing. This is the one guiding line for us when we design every single detail of the Voiceboard. So, we really want to give this beautiful user experience to you. And we are here with our team, really committed to make this happen, working day and night. By now we are probably in front of you in St. Petersburg presenting this concept. So, thank you very much for listening. This is Lionsharp Solution, and we are working on the Voiceboard.